Hey everybody, it's Bill with Franklin Loan Center. Take two. Something happened with my connectivity. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, it is Wednesday, and in a couple of days, Friday, of course, is the once per month jobs data number. This comes out the first Friday of every month, and unless the first is a Friday. And what it does is obviously just looks at the previous month's jobs numbers, and we get unemployment information. It's one of those data points that has a big opportunity to potentially move the market, right? And one of the things that we're starting to see, the consumer confidence came out this morning, and it actually had some things in there that we're talking about a tightening job market. People are starting to feel that pinch a little bit, and then so we'll see how the actual big report comes out tomorrow, or I'm sorry, on Friday. But it'll be interesting to see if we start to see some of these numbers look like things are tightening up. Because if so, what we're going to see is that those are the first signs of things coming, like happening just exactly the way we would expect them, right? I mean, so the Fed starts to increase interest rates, companies start to feel that pinch, they're a little less likely to borrow money to expand and grow and things like that. And then what are the first things they do? They stop hiring, right? And it's part of the cooling process. It's why most of the time when the Fed does increase interest rates like this to slow inflation, that it results in a recession. So it's super important to keep an eye on. I mean, this is definitely one of the indicators. If we start to see that the unemployment rate start to creep up, that's going to be a strong indicator that we could be heading towards recession. But again, it's to be expected. And from a real estate perspective, and I've said this before, other than 2008, that recession, real estate has done actually quite well in recession, and we should see those interest rates come down, right? So, I mean, I hate talking about recession. I know that causes pain for people, but again, it's one of those things that's kind of has to cool off at some point, and just from a real estate perspective, the industry usually does pretty well. So we'll see what happens. It's definitely a time to be careful with your spending, because I think there's changes to come. It's pretty predictable, but just stay tuned and we'll see how it plays out. But 1 month does not make a whole trend, but we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye, and we'll keep you abreast of what's going on. If you need anything on the mortgage front or on the real estate front, don't hesitate to give us a call. Please like, share, and comment, and we'll see you all next week.